What you see in stores starts here.
Lipstick production begins with carefully selected raw materials.
Every color is tested for safety, quality, and perfection.
Natural waxes and oils are heated to the perfect temperature. Precise pigment ratios create rich and long-lasting colors.
Even 1 degree matters in lipstick manufacturing.
This silky mixture becomes the heart of the lipstick.
Special molds shape every lipstick with extreme accuracy.
The liquid color is poured while still hot and smooth. Cooling solidifies the lipstick into its final form.
Each piece is carefully released to avoid damage. A brief flame gives the lipstick its flawless finish.
The lipstick meets its iconic outer shell. Luxury cases are assembled with robotic precision.
Every lipstick is checked for shape and color.
Branding transforms the product into a global identity.
Polishing gives the lipstick its premium shine.
Each unit receives a unique tracking code.
High-speed machines prepare products for the market.
Secure packaging ensures safe global delivery. Millions of lipsticks wait to be shipped worldwide. From factory floors to stores across the world.